Do you want to add music to Facebook status? You can put a song on your Facebook status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add music to your Facebook status. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the What's on Your Mind box at the top of the screen to start creating a new status. A new screen will appear with various options. Now, write your Facebook status along with background colors or emojis. Once you have added the status, tap on the three dots menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. A pop-up appears with different options. Scroll down and tap on Music from the list. Now, a music library will appear with trending songs and a search bar. Use the search bar to find a specific song, or scroll and select one from the suggestions. Tap on the song you want to use. You can also change the music image with your own image by tapping on the Add Media button. Once everything looks good, tap on the Post button at the top right corner.